In this video, we are going to show you how to organize long-term projects in Poppy AI. Now, whether it's a project for a week or an ongoing project, maybe you have an automated system in whatever board you're using, it's pretty much the same thing. So you're going to need a couple of groups, no matter depending on what resources you are using. Maybe you need three groups, maybe you need two, maybe you need only one, right? But the important thing is you have the groups and you don't really change anything unless you are up for expansion, right? So just connect the groups to a chat, right? Pretty much like this. And then the only thing you need to do is, for example, this group is for documents, this group is for videos, this group is for PDFs. The only thing that you need to change is once a certain project on this ongoing long-term project or board is going, you only need to swap out whatever is in each group. So whatever file that you uploaded, right? You only need to, once you're done, you only need to delete the file, and then if you have a new batch, you do the same thing. You just pretty much just use the same board over and over and over again, which is practically what a long-term project is, right? So that is how you do it. And if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.